How to hide Instagram following list. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to hide Instagram following list. So let's begin. Before we proceed, I would like you to know that unlike TikTok, you may not be able to see or have an option in which you may be able to hide your Instagram following list to everyone. So on Instagram, you may hide your following list. However, those who followed you already may still see your following list. So make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And now you may go to Instagram, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Go to Settings, and then go to Privacy and make sure to click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of a private account. So click on switch to private and then wait for it to load. So what this will do is that it will private your account. And again, those people who hasn't followed you yet will not be able to see your following list. However, your existing followers will be able to see your following list. So again, unlike TikTok, there is an option in which you may hide your following list both to those who followed you and to those who haven't followed you yet. So that's it. That's how you can hide Instagram following list. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.